Welcome back to B5 Farms. I'm helping my dad to build a chicken coop.
What day is it?
Day 3?
No, it's chicken coop day.
Oh.
What day is it, Kate?
Typical day.
Woo!
I think I don't have a wrench.
Kinsey, what is that?
It's an old-fashioned pencil sharpener.
Does Miss Rankin have one of those?
No.
No?
We just keep our pencil sharpeners at our desk.
Oh.
That's nice. That's neat. Sharp there.
Say hi to Miss Rankin.
Hi, Miss Rankin.
Is that an old-fashioned pencil sharpener?
Oh, this is actually sharp.
Show Miss Willis. Say hi, Mrs. Willis.
Hi, Mrs. Willis.
Say miss you.
I miss you.
What is that, Kate? Is that a pencil sharpener? You got it? Okay, tell us what you're doing. Building a frame. It's gonna be 48 square feet for our girlies.
Louder. That's just floor size, so they'll have, I haven't done the measurement, but 6 by 8.
6 by 8 floor.
That'll be plenty for
Yeah, we're only gonna have like 10.
8 or 10 chickens.
Yeah. For now. I just sit here and help how I can because he has a vision. That's his new saw he got for Valentine's Day. I got the wrong one. I got the one with the cord. But he said it would work.
They don't have one of these tables when you get one.
What's so special about the table?
So it collapses.
What is it? It's a Ketter?
Yeah. I think Dad got them at Northern Tool or something for Christmas a few years back. But it collapses flat to basically this width plus this width. And then it's got clamps that
Oh, that just stay in there.
stay into the table, and you can take them out and store them,
And it's lightweight too.
and very lightweight. Okay, welcome back to B5 Farms' first trip to the hospital.
I can't take my hand off of it.
I've already got it on the mark, by the way, so hopefully it doesn't, she doesn't mess it up. Pull trigger, let it get up to speed, and then bumblebees are out.
It's tiny raptors. Just because I smell so good.
Our tiny raptors.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey! Got the leg. Which one is the leg? The tall one or the short one? Or did you cut it in half?
I put 2 foot in the ground, so we'll have about 2 foot elevation to the touch.
Don't make it mad, and it's coming right over to me. Josh is finishing the last hole. I did the other ones.
You're funny. You did make I got the corona. You did make me a sandwich while I was doing this, so.
And chips and dip.
Oh, you didn't make that.
I like just brought it out here, but. Did you hit gold down there?
Nope, but after watching Justin's video of him digging in that rocky Missouri soil, this red clay sure is nice.
You gonna take your shirt off or no?
No. People don't want to see that.
I mean, some people would. What you at? 2 feet?
23.
Well, these over here need. Are those, you didn't go as deep over there, did you?
24. 20 needs to go deeper.
Do you really have corona?
Yeah, I got corona.
I have a bandana on. You could wear it over your face. Do you want me to get you some water for real?
Go show them the pollen on the baby shark, and you tell me what it is.
Yeah, why don't you explain to everyone why we have a blue hoopty in the driveway? This is railroad car.
Show car. I win all kinds of car competitions with that thing.
Get lots of phone numbers. All right. Next, we're dropping this specker in these holes. Then I'm going to Atwood's to get chicks.
Nope.
Yeah. I'm gonna get 12 of them just in case 2 die.
Wrong.
All right, little update. We are putting this Thompson's water seal we had on the bottom because this is going to be the bottom of the coop, and that way, this was Josh's idea, that way, like when the chickens pee and poop everywhere, it will help protect the wood a little bit better. And then Josh is putting on braces on all the corners, so it's coming along. It's looking good.